What's going on, everyone? Today we are taking a look at the Colamy Neza Ergonomic Mesh Chair. Before we dive into the review, I want to share that I partnered up with Colamy to give away a free chair to one of my viewers as well. So if you would like the chance to win a free chair, stick around and I'll be going over how to do that in this video. All right, so taking a look at the chair, this is definitely a simple but nice looking chair. The one I have here has a black seat with the dark gray back, but they also have another model that has the black seat and a dark blue back as well. So the reason why I got this chair is because I have another chair that I paid almost $600 for, and that chair is simply uncomfortable. Lots of features and it looks good on paper, but to sit on, it's just not a comfortable chair. Fast forward to a few months ago, I actually got a chair for one of my kids, and that one was the Colamy Atlas. I didn't know what to expect at first, but that ended up being a very, very comfortable chair. Now I saw they came out with this chair and decided to get it to replace the chair that I really didn't like. I'll be going over everything in this video, but overall I am happy with my purchase, as this is definitely a very comfortable chair. So as far as assembly goes, this was definitely one of the easiest chairs I've ever had to assemble. Everything was very well packed. Everything was labeled very well. The bolts were even separated and clearly labeled in their own separate bags as well. And on top of that, there was only 7 screws total. So again, a very easy assembly. From unboxing to fully assembled, it only took about 10 to 15 minutes total. Basically, if you can turn a screwdriver, then you can definitely assemble this chair as well. All right, so starting off with the construction, despite being a very affordable chair, this is definitely a very well-made chair. Everything feels nice and rigid. There's nothing loose, nothing sounds rickety or anything like that. And then at the bottom here, you have a heavy-duty nylon base. Again, very solid, so I don't anticipate anything going wrong with that. So as I'm sure you're all aware, you can buy a ton of different chairs on Amazon, and they all say great quality, high construction, blah, blah, blah. But you don't really know if that's true or just a marketing claim. With Colamy chairs, this is not something you have to worry about, as they are tested and certified. This chair has a certification. The name is pretty long, so I'll just throw it up on the screen. But basically, this certification is a standard that ensures general purpose office chairs meet certain quality, durability, and ergonomic standards. Some of the tests included in this certification process are backrest strength, drop tests, swivel tests, tilt mechanism test, seating durability test, stability test, arm strength test, caster and chair base durability test, and arm durability test. So as you can see, definitely a whole lot of tests. So if you get this chair, quality is not something you have to worry about, as again, it's already been tested and fully certified. All right, so starting off with the main parts of the actual seat itself. At the bottom here, you have a very thick foam pad, and under the foam, it has what they call their wave spring system. And basically, this is springs under the seat that help give you uniform support while also reducing pressure points as well. Definitely a very good seat. I've been using this for about 2 or 3 weeks now. I've been sitting in it for several hours, editing videos, working on stuff on the computer, and I have not felt any discomfort whatsoever. And then on back of the chair, you have a ergonomic mesh. This is the first time I've seen this kind of mesh on an office chair. It kind of feels like cotton. It has some thickness to it, has some padding inside of it. Very soft, but also very flexible. And then coming to the back of the seat, you could see this looks a little bit loose, but that's done by design. So this is a flexible back. So as you sit, we don't sit completely in the middle straight all the time. So if you lean a little bit this way, instead of pushing pressure and becoming a pressure point, it'll basically bend and conform with your body. This way it's always supportive no matter how you're sitting. So again, from the seat bottom to the seat back, overall, definitely a very comfortable chair. All right, so as you all know, we're all made completely different. Some of us have longer legs, longer torsos, shorter torsos. On top of that, we all sit differently as well. So you don't just want a basic chair. You want something like this chair that beyond the regular basics also has a ton of different adjustments as well. So diving into the adjustments, first off, what I really like about this chair is all the controls are very easily accessible. There's a lot of chairs that to move it up or down, you got to reach way under here and grab on this weird stick. And then controls are just kind of in random places and is not very intuitive to use. But this one just has this dial here, this handle here, And then you also have adjustments for the armrest right here. So again, very accessible. Once you use it 2 or 3 times, you can just reach under really quickly and easily adjust your seat. So first off, you have this lever right here. And right now it's at the lowest seating position. As you can see, it does get pretty low. So that's what it looks like at the lowest position. And then you just push on this here, and that'll lift the chair up. And that's what it looks like at the highest position. So you have that much of adjustment to move the chair up and down. And then right here on top of it, you have this lever, and this is to loosen or tighten the back tension. So if you want the seat to be unlocked and be very loose, you can do that. And then you can add some more tension so it gives more resistance. Honestly, I like it a lot tighter, or I'll just lock it in position. Speaking of locking it in position, right here you have this lever right here. And this is to lock or unlock the seat back. So this is what it looks like at the furthest back position. And there's 4 different positions that it can lock in. Or again, you could also have it free move as well. So that right there is the furthest back. And now that's with the chair all the way up. Personally, I like it about 1 or 2 clicks back, and I find that to be a nice, relaxing position to sit in. Next up, on this side, you have this little lever that you just pull it out, and this is to adjust your seat depth. So this chair has 2 inches of adjustable seat depth. So right here, this is at the furthest out position. As you can see, you have a good amount of space between the back and the seat right there. So if I just pull up on this lever, and now that's the furthest back position. I don't like that all the way back in either, so I usually have that about midway out. Again, very adjustable, so however you like to seat, you can get that dialed in to have the best seating position for you. Next up, this has 4D adjustable armrests, so you can go in and out, forward and back, inward and outward, and then up and down as well. So a lot of adjustability there to give you the right support depending on what you're doing and how you're sitting. So if you're just on a computer, maybe have it straight like that, using a portable device and your arms are more inward, you can turn it inward. And what I like about this is there's a whole lot of height. You might not be able to see this well on camera. This goes pretty high. So if you're leaned back, this is supporting your entire arm right here. So you're right here in the middle using your Nintendo Switch or your phone. This is going to allow you to have your arms higher and more supported and make it more comfortable to use a device at this height. Whereas if this was all the way down, as you can see, being up here, you would have all this gap here and there would basically be no support for your forearms. So just to show you from the side, here it is at the lowest position. And then there it is at the highest position. So this black bar right here, that's all the height adjustments you get. Again, definitely a lot of adjustments on this armrest. So coming to the back, we have one of the things that I find most important on a chair, and that's having adjustable lumbar support. So the lumbar support is this piece here, and this is adjustable up and down. So to move it up and down, you just press it like that. It is a little tight to move, but that's good because it's going to stay where you set it. And then besides up and down, you can also move it forward and back as well. So right down here, it has this little lever, and this presses it forward. So right now, as I move this lever, you'll see this move forward. And that's going to press more outward pressure on your back. Very simple, but it does work very well, so I have no complaints there. Last but not least, this chair supports up to 300 pounds and includes a 3-year warranty. Alright, so as I said earlier, Colamy will be giving one of these chairs out free to one of my viewers. To enter the contest, it's very simple. Simply make sure you are subscribed to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment describing your ideal and perfect office chair. It can be something simple, something that hasn't been invented yet, really just whatever comes to mind for the perfect chair for you. This contest is open from now to March 31st, and Colamy will be selecting the winner from the comments. There are a few minor rules and restrictions, so be sure to check the description for that information. Overall, this is definitely a great chair. It's comfortable, it has a ton of different adjustments, and best of all, it's also very affordable as well. So all in all, if you happen to be shopping for a new chair, I would highly recommend this one here, which again is the Colamy Neza Ergonomic Mesh Chair. If you would like to purchase or get more information, I'll also have the link in the description as well. All right, well, that about wraps up this video. As usual, if you have any questions at all, feel free to drop me a comment and let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.